How to add Telegram stickers to WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to add Telegram stickers to WhatsApp. So first thing, simply head over to your Telegram application, and once you're inside here, just click on search and search in for Telegram stickers to WhatsApp. So once you locate that particular option, just tap on this and just click on start, which will automatically create start the bot. So once you click on start, this bot should be sending you a message regarding the help with transferring your Telegram stickers to WhatsApp. So you just have to send them a sticker you want to use in WhatsApp. So you can basically choose the stickers from over here, which in any of the stickers that you want, by simply heading over to this sticker section. So I just added this body bear stickers. So once you do that, you just have to send that particular sticker to them, and after that it will send you the pack. If it's too large, it will split it into two different parts. You just have to click on download button to simply download it. So once you do all of that, you just have to come over to your Play Store to download an application called Telegram stickers to WhatsApp download or transfer. So once you successfully download that application, you should be successfully seeing that stickers under your Telegram over here right under the WhatsApp chats. So that's basically it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.